Okay folks, this is going to be a unique video. I am so tired of repairmen coming to your house and lying straight to your face about what is wrong with an appliance, charging you an in-house call plus misdiagnosing many times the incorrect part in order to charge you lots of money. Fixing a fridge normally is very easy. This is the back of my Kenmore Elite freezer and fridge. The bottom portion, if you take a look, is the freezer. You can see the edge of the door that's opened. I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to get down there and explain what is going on. So we had a freezer and fridge that stopped cooling all of a sudden. Everything thawed out. We had to open up the doors, take everything out, and called my wife because my wife is up in northern Arizona by herself. Had to call Sears. Sears came out and told her two things were wrong. Computer board, which you can see the door above a few seconds ago in my video, that plastic door. He diagnosed that board going wrong, as well as this compressor, bad compressor. That was incorrect. What was going on was we can hear the compressor clicking on and off every minute, as though it was trying to start up. That white piece, I'm moving the fan a little bit. The white, first of all, this hose is the water drain from the freezer, but this white housing is your fan that pulls air across your cold coils. Obviously, the compressor. The problem for me was a stupid $9 part. We located the part. It's called a relay. Pardon my shaky camera while I maneuver this. So there's the back of the compressor. Let me grab the flashlight. There's the compressor. You can even see it says R134 on it. It's that big kettle thing. And there you have all the wires going into the compressor and the housing of the start relay. Now some refrigerators will call it just a relay. Some will call it a PCT relay. Some will call it a start relay. It's a damn relay. So you got to pull that cover off. Give me a little bit of your patience while I shake the camera a little bit and work with one hand. So I've already actually pried the cover off so I wouldn't make a big deal over it. You pull it out, and I'm going to move my hand and move the camera a little bit. It is this plastic piece. The only thing that's connected to it, let me move the camera a little bit, are two clips, wired clips. There's one right there. You can see it. All you do is slide it out. And I'm going to try to do the best to slide these out while the camera is doing its while I'm shaking the camera all over creation. So there's one wire. I just slid it out. Go for the back one. The back one is now out. This whole unit now, I am going to slide this out. It's just held on by two prongs. Let me see if I can get my hand in there. It just slides. I'm trying to manipulate the camera. It just slides out. Okay, so I purposely left it there a little bit. You see the two prongs there. So let me turn the, you see, shoot. There we go, we got it out. So I'm going to pause the camera and pull the piece up on a work table. Okay, what we saw is this part. Again, please be patient with my shaky hand. I'm going to turn the piece over. This is what was in there. It just slides in to the compressor utilizing 2 prongs. So it just slides out. There's no screws or nothing. This is a 3-pronged relay, but only the 2 prongs are utilized. See, there's no prong on that upper side. I'm trying to get the camera to focus. There's 2 prongs there, but only the 2 bottom prongs are utilized. On this side was your red, and on that side was the blue, and again, it just slides in. One of the surefire ways to know that these are bad is when it sounds like marbles. I got one for $8 and change. It was $8.95, an original part on Amazon, free shipping. That clown who came in had tried to talk my wife into buying a whole new computer board and a whole new compressor. I guarantee you, he would have walked in with those parts, and after my wife wasn't looking, he would have replaced that, walked out with the 2 brand new parts, left everything else intact, and charged her for everything. That's all it was. Take care, folks.